tiny coolant temperature sensor could be the reason your engine is wasting fuel, overheating, or throwing off your gauge. Many Ford and Chevy owners miss the signs until they're stuck with a huge repair bill. Catch the symptoms early and fix it now, before this small part drains your wallet big time. It controls way more than you think. Did you know that the small coolant temperature sensor, CTS, in your car actually controls way more than most people think? Many drivers believe the CTS just tells the dashboard how hot the engine is, but in reality, it plays a huge role in how your entire engine works. This tiny sensor sends important temperature information to the car's computer, which then adjusts things like fuel injection, ignition timing, and even transmission shifting to make sure your car runs smooth and efficient. If the CTS starts giving the wrong reading, like saying the engine is colder or hotter than it really is, your engine management system can get totally confused. This can lead to burning too much fuel, rough idling, hard starting, poor shifting, or even a check engine light that keeps coming back for no clear reason. Many people spend money fixing spark plugs, sensors, or other parts when the real problem is just this one little sensor sending the wrong signal. The good news is that checking or replacing a bad CTS is usually quick and affordable, and it can fix a bunch of strange problems all at once. So if your car feels off, wastes gas, or shifts funny, don't ignore it. Ask your trusted mechanic to check the coolant temperature sensor. Keeping it in good shape will help your car stay safe, reliable, and fuel efficient, saving you stress and money every time you drive. A bad CTS can kill your MPG. Did you know that a tiny part called the coolant temperature sensor, CTS, could be secretly draining your wallet every time you fill up your gas tank? Many people don't realize that a bad CTS can really hurt your MPG, miles per gallon, because it tricks your car's computer into thinking the engine is always cold even when it's fully warmed up. When your engine thinks it's cold, the ECU, engine control unit, tells it to run a rich fuel mixture, meaning it uses extra fuel to warm up faster. But if this happens all the time, you end up burning way more fuel than you need, which not only kills your fuel economy, but can also foul your spark plugs, making your engine run rough and start poorly. This means you could be paying for gas you don't even get to use, and might face even bigger repair bills if the spark plugs or catalytic converter get damaged from running too rich. The good news is that checking or replacing a failing CTS is usually simple and affordable, and it can instantly help your car run smoother, cleaner, and more fuel efficient. So if you've noticed you're visiting the gas station more often than usual, don't ignore it. Ask your trusted mechanic to check your coolant temperature sensor. Keeping this small sensor in good shape can save you big money, protect your engine, and keep every drive safe and stress-free. Overheating or poor cooling fan operation. Did you know that a tiny part called the coolant temperature sensor, CTS, can be the real reason your car overheats or your cooling fan acts strange? Many cars use this small sensor to tell the radiator fan when to turn on and off. If the CTS goes bad, it might not send the right signal, so your cooling fan won't turn on when your engine gets too hot. This can cause dangerous overheating, which can damage your engine and cost you a lot to fix. On the other hand, a faulty CTS might also tell the fan to run all the time, even when the engine is cold. This makes your fan work harder than it should and can drain your battery, leaving you stuck with a dead car when you least expect it. The worst part is that many people don't know this little sensor controls so much. They spend money fixing radiators, fans, or thermostats, but the real problem is just the CTS sending the wrong information. The good news is that checking or replacing a bad coolant temperature sensor is simple and affordable, and doing it early can keep your engine at the perfect temperature, protect your battery, and save you from surprise breakdowns. So if your car overheats or your fan never seems to stop, ask your trusted mechanic to check your CTS. This small fix can keep you safe, save money, and make every drive worry-free. Hard starting, especially when warm. Did you know that if your car is hard to start, especially when the engine is warm, a small part called the coolant temperature sensor, CTS, might be the sneaky cause? Many drivers get confused when their car starts perfectly fine when it's cold in the morning, but then struggles or cranks too long when they try to restart it after driving for a while. This happens because a faulty CTS sends the wrong temperature signal to the car's ECU, engine control unit, which then messes up how much fuel your engine gets. If the sensor says the engine is still cold when it's actually warm, the ECU might give too much fuel, flooding the engine. Or if it thinks the engine is hot when it's not, it might not give enough fuel, making it run too lean. Either way, you end up frustrated, sitting there with the key turning again and again. The good news is that testing or replacing a bad CTS is simple and affordable, and it can fix this annoying problem fast. So if you've ever wondered why your car is tricky to restart when warm, ask your trusted mechanic to check the coolant temperature sensor. It could save you time, stress, and extra trips to the gas pump. Ford and Chevy CTS failure is common. Did you know that coolant temperature sensor (CTS) problems are really common on older Ford and Chevy vehicles? Many drivers don't realize that this tiny sensor, which tells your car's computer how hot the engine is, can fail easily because it's cheap and made of plastic that can crack over time. On older Fords and Chevys, it's even more likely because the wiring connector can get rusty or corroded, breaking the connection and sending wrong signals to your engine. When this happens, your car might run too rich or too lean, making it waste fuel, idle rough, or even cause hard starting problems, especially when the engine is warm. The good news is that replacing a bad CTS is simple and very affordable. Sometimes the hardest part is just finding the sensor. So if you own an older Ford or Chevy and you've noticed weird temperature readings, bad gas mileage, or a check engine light, don't ignore it. Ask your trusted mechanic to check the coolant temperature sensor and its wiring connector. Fixing this small part can save you money on gas, help your engine run smooth, and prevent bigger problems down the road. Easy DIY test with a multimeter. Did you know that you can easily test a coolant temperature sensor (CTS) yourself at home with just a simple multimeter? No fancy tools needed? Many people think you need special equipment to check this sensor, but one of the best parts is that you can do a quick DIY test to see if it's working properly. The CTS works by changing its resistance as the engine warms up. When the engine is cold, the resistance should be high, and as it gets hotter, the resistance should drop smoothly. If the reading jumps around or doesn't change at all, that's a clear sign your sensor is going bad. This tiny test can help you find out why your car might be having problems like poor fuel economy, rough idling, or hard starting, and you'll feel proud doing it yourself. Just unplug the sensor, connect the multimeter to the terminals, and compare the readings to your car's manual or an online chart. So next time you suspect a problem, grab a multimeter, check your CTS, and you might save yourself a trip to the shop and some hard-earned money. It's a simple way to keep your engine running smooth, efficient, and trouble-free. Subtle signs are costly over time. Did you know that a tiny part like the coolant temperature sensor, CTS, can slowly fail without showing an obvious warning, but still cause big problems over time? Many drivers fall into this trap because the sensor doesn't always set off the check engine light right away. Instead, the signs are often subtle, like a rough idle black exhaust smoke, or your car always feeling like it's running a bit rough or wasting fuel. What's really happening is the bad CTS is quietly sending wrong temperature readings to your car's ECU, which messes up how much fuel the engine gets. This can make your car burn too much fuel, foul up your spark plugs, and even damage your catalytic converter if left too long. The worst part is, many people don't notice these small clues until they've spent extra money on fuel or bigger repairs that could have been avoided. The good news is that checking or replacing a failing CTS is simple and affordable, and catching it early means your engine can run smooth, efficient, and trouble-free. So if you notice even a small, rough, idle, strange smoke or bad fuel mileage, ask your trusted mechanic to check the coolant temperature sensor. Fixing this small part can save you a lot in the long run. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.